Hey folks, Colin here from Aitum. Today we're going to show you how you can easily set up your Be Right Back screen to automatically trigger adverts on your Twitch stream, allowing your viewers to go for a longer time without any stream interruptions. First thing you want to do is head across to aitum.tv/imports. Next, click on the download button on the BRB trigger advert item and download it from Google Drive. Now it's time to load up Aitum. Head across to the rules section and on the top of the screen click Import Export. Then click on Import and then select or drag over the file we have just downloaded before. Next in the wizard, select your OBS integration. Then select your Be Right Back scene. And finally, select the duration you wish for the adverts to run. Hit Complete Import and that's all there is to it. Now when your Be Right Back screen is triggered, you can automatically run adverts on Twitch, reducing the risk of your viewers receiving them while you're actively streaming. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues or have something very cool to show us that you've made with Aitum, please join our Discord or follow our Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.